Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can turn your skills with Wix into a thriving career. Whether you're a freelance web designer, a small business owner, or just someone who loves creating beautiful websites, Wix offers a ton of opportunities to not only flex your creative muscle, but also build a full-time or side hustle career. Or maybe you have already dabbled in designing websites for yourself or friends, but did you know Wix can actually be a money-making platform? I'm talking about designing sites for clients, becoming a Wix expert, or even starting your own web design business. So let's begin. But before all of that, the first thing that you need to do is go to Wix.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. You can use your email address, Google account, or Facebook account to create one. All right, so these are going to be the website template that you might love. For example, we're going to be choosing the artist. If you wanted to preview the website, to make sure that this is going to be the template that you're going to love working with, you have the option to view the desktop view or check the mobile responsiveness. All right. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on edit this site, but you would be forwarded to the sign up account. And all you have to do is just follow with the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you would be forwarded to the main interface of the Wix editor while everything is being set up by Wix for you. Now, as you can see, you need to familiarize yourself with the Wix editor. Just wait for it to load. It'll take a little while depending on your computer's specifications, how powerful your machine is, and of course your internet connection, because you need to have a stable and active connection. After doing so, all right, there's going to be two main types of editors. All right, one is going to be the Wix editor, wherein you can drag and drop any information on the interface. You can add elements, add section, pages and menu, site designs, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. All right, now let's talk about the add elements for one. I'm going to switch over to the desktop view for now. Click on the add elements, and these are going to be your options. You can add image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, and more. All right, so embed code, social media icons, and platforms. But for now, we're going to be choosing the media of image. You can on the images, you have the options to explore free from Wix. All right, and free Wix illustrations. You can also have a custom logo if you wanted. We have a separate video on how to create logo here in Wix that you might want to check on our channel. But let me check the upload and import, because from here you can import images from social and Google accounts. If you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. But if you wanted to upload anything from Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, and a link URL, you are welcome to do so. But in my case, I'm gonna upload something from my computer. What will happen is the file will be uploaded, and I have the option to adjust it the way I wanted it to. I can put it here. I can even change the title here by clicking on the text. I would be forwarded to the dashboard. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna hit exit for now and click on the text. There's going to be an option that says edit text. Wait for it to load. It'll take a little while, but now on the left side, after adding elements, you have the pages and menu. This is very important because you can navigate here and add image pages that you want. For example, is it going to be a site menu like About Us, Instagram, blogs? You can even book online events and shop. You can add it and drag it just around here on the interface of your website, as you can see. All right, of course you can rearrange the pages, drag and drop pages to arrange them in your site's navigation. You can also set sub pages by dragging a page under the main page, and we have a separate video on how to create sub pages here on Wix. All right, Now, on the left side, there's going to be what we call the settings. There's going to be the Wix store if you want. You can start selling. You can add your first product. You also have the option to the Wix bookings, Wix events and tickets, Wix members area, and the other portfolio. Now, this is one of the most handy features for Wix because you can add an app here on the Find Apps, wherein Wix has an app market where you can find plugins to extend your site's functionality. You have the Wix restaurants and all of these. You might want to hover to the app market. If you do that, you have all these options for you to choose from. Social media icons, image slider, calendar, and a lot more. You have the categories for marketing. Okay. For ads, for mobile integration, and a lot more. All right. You also have an option here on the left side. You can update the CMS, wherein you can easily manage your site content, set up site collections, create 100 plus of dynamic pages. And then this section right here, you can upload your media from Photo Studio, Video Maker. And the most important thing is you might want to check the responsiveness of your website through the desktop computer, and then the mobile site. If you are happy with that, click on the preview to see the live site. If you wanted to publish, this is one of the most important part of creating a website, so that you can create money opportunities working on a Wix website. Click on the publish option. But if you wanted to publish this site online, all right, you might want to complete setting it up. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, wherein you are required to choose the plan that's right for your business. After all, we're gonna make something out of it in the first place. You can choose the Business Elite, which is gonna be $46 per month. You can add 15 collaborators, but if you're working with yourself, you might want to go for the light package, which has getting the basics of $7 per month. You can add 2 collaborators, 2 GB storage space, and a lot more. Once you are familiar with Wix editor, of course, you can build a career and a thriving opportunity here. By hovering to the Wix careers, these are going to be some of the open positions where you can apply and explore. All right. Front-end engineer team lead, and a lot more. All right. And by following all of these steps, you can create a professional website on Wix, get a career, work on a Wix website, which is going to be for your specific needs and individual career growth. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.